Good morning class 5. Welcome to your science online class. Today we are going to start with the last chapter of your first unit exam. We have already done the first chapter, plant life, we have already done. Next we have done living things, and next we have done food and health. Today we are going to start with the last chapter of your first unit exam, that is animal life. Now we know our living world, entire living world is divided into two different parts. One is human and another one is animal life, isn't it? Man life, human life, and plants life and animals life. Now here in animal life, in this chapters, we are going to learn about different types of animal, how they live, where they live, how they adjust or accommodate or adapt themselves with the change of the nature, and everything, what they eat, what type of special teeth and all are there, that we will read in this part. First we will read about different body covering, then we are going to read about different eating habit. Now we all know that animals are of different type. Some of them they used to eat veg, some of them they used to eat animals of other animals, flesh of other animals, and some are both, like us human being. We are omnivores, we eat both plants and animals both. Okay, and next we are going to read about different methods of breathing. So, and finally how they move from one place to the other, and what about the different animals, those who travel a long distance. This is quite a long chapter, so we are going to start with the body covering. There are millions of different types of animals that live on our earth. We know, some we don't, even don't we have ever seen, isn't it? Animals are there, those which we have never seen, isn't it? Some animals such as amoeba are very tiny and can be seen under a microscope. Some such as the blue whale and huge, many times the size of an elephant. Now whale and animals like whale and big water animals, aquatic animals, they are huge, even bigger than elephant. We cannot just, unless and until we see them, we cannot imagine their size. Animals live in many different kind of surroundings. They are found in forest, river, sea, pond, desert, mountain, snow covered areas, air, and even in our home. So see, some domestic animals we keep, some animals we can see like lizard, cockroach. There also, cockroach is an insect, so that is also a part of animal life, isn't it? So different types of animals are found. They live in different places, where some are found in desert, some are found in forest, some are living in water. Water animals are known as aquatic animals. Some are found in air, those who used to roam in the air, and some we found in home. The surrounding in which a living organism lives and survives is called its habitat. So the surrounding they are living is called their habitat. Animals have different features that help them to survive in their specific habitat. Now see, animals, those who are living in a uh, frozen area like tropical region, you know, in geography you have read, over there the polar bear, they are having thick loam, thick hair in their body, isn't it? Their body is covered with thick hair. Now in our places, if you see a dog, they don't have much hair in their body, isn't it? Because our country is summer based country, so majority of the year we get summer season. So if the animals will cover their body with thick fur or thick hair in their body, they will feel dry, and they will feel very hot, and they will die. So according to the place where they are living, how they are living, depending on that, God has gifted them some special bodily feature that we are going to read now. Different body coverings. Some animals, such as snail, turtle, and tortoise, have a shell that protect their soft bodies. Fish and reptile have scales to protect them. Fish have thin scales and reptiles have hard leathery scales. So first you see tortoise, we have seen tortoise, they are having a hard scale on their body, isn't it? So that inside that, when they are feeling like they are having any risk, they used to shelter inside the shell. Fish and reptile have scales. We have seen before preparing some fish item, we have to remove the scales, and that scale is their body covering to protect them. Fish have thin scales and reptiles have hard leathery scales. Reptiles, we have seen, they are having hard scale, thick scales, isn't it? Leathery scales in their body. Birds have birds have feathers to protect them, keep them warm and help them to fly. So these are the body coverings we can see in different types of animals. The remaining part of the chapter we will do in the next video. Thank you.